up folks, and welcome back to the garage. Actually we are going outside quite quickly. Last video was about the backyard rally. I had so much fun that I tried to do it a little bit better, and this time only with this Volvo, because this was the nicest car to drive in that condition. I have even prepared the road a little bit. I will show you soon what I have done. First I will check the oil from Volvo, and then I have to check also the tire pressures, but after that we can go outside and have some fun. So this video is just pure fun. I try to get as nice slides as possible. I use my GoPro inside so you can see the feelings from the driver's point of view, and or actually from the co-driver's view, and I will also put the camera in the corner that I try to do the slides. Now I will show you what I have done for the road. I have done some preparation. There's a small uphill from the mailbox, and it's so icy the road that I had to put some sand. I hope this gives me some more grip. I don't know how much speed I can get for that corner. My plan is to accelerate where the sand ends, and then I try to put the Volvo in a nice slide. That's in theory. First was warm-up, second was I think second was the best, and now I will do 3 new passes, so we shall see if it's getting better. My third, okay, first was warm-up, second was the best, and the third pass I had some problems to get the second gear on, so I hope this time The gearbox works perfectly, it should be. I tested it already, so let's go. Haluatko olla vielä kyydissä? Volvo works nicely. The idle is also okay. I little bit adjust the spring of the throttle cable, so now it works nicely. I'm letting it cool down a little bit before the third run. I think I will change the camera angle. You can see my son is also practicing there. Nice lights. Yes. And the road is actually in quite good condition, as you saw the time. The line is quite okay. There's a small bank, and actually my sanding operation was quite successful because I can get much better grip than last time, so this works okay. I would hope I would have a little more speed in this point, but it is what it is. Now I will start my third set of runs. I a little bit changed the camera angle, so we shall see what kind of pictures we will see this time. at least I had a great time. Volvo works very nice, no problem at all. Or actually in one point I had a small problem with the second gear, but after that I didn't have any problems, or it was something. I think I didn't use the shifter in a correct way. Engine is in good condition, and now when this hose is very hot, I know that the thermostat is working. There's some oil coming out, but it's not the big problem. And everything else looks very nice. Tires are not the best ones, but there is some spikes, and they are very old, but they are in quite good condition. So in this kind of use, they they are almost like perfect. And I could even use these if I participate in some winter events in the future. The wheels need some paint, but otherwise they are okay. But I still need some more grip, and I have a plan. I will weld the diff. That's my next plan. Before I put those new carbs, I certainly will weld the diff. I have already watched quite many YouTube videos, so I know in theory how should I do it. And because I don't have the lift, I will take the whole rear axle off, and so then it's much easier to take the differential off, and then it's easier to weld also. So that will be the next Volvo video. Thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up, and please give me some comments down below. I love them. Thank you very much. Can I say love? Well, I like a lot. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, do it right away and press the bell. Thanks for watching, and see you soon!